We are here to make a very fast and very yummy tortilla breakfast. I start off with the cactus. I chop some cactus. It's very easy, very fast and different. Okay, to this we're gonna add some chopped salsa. We let it cook for like 2 minutes. I'm just gonna add a little bit of black pepper. And to this is the last part. We're gonna add some tortilla. This is very yummy. I hope you guys try to make it for breakfast. And that's it. Now we're gonna finish it up. We transfer this to the tray. And here we have some hot link and egg. I hope you guys make it. This is beautiful and very tasty and different. Treat yourself with a different food for breakfast.